spring is here and it's time to sell. Here's 7 steps to help you and it's time to sell. Here's 7 steps to help you prepare. 1. Enhance curb appeal. Make a strong first impression by maintaining a well-groomed exterior, including landscaping, clean walkways, and a welcoming entrance. 2. Declutter and depersonalize. Create a neutral, inviting space by removing personal items, and this helps potential buyers envision themselves in your home. 3. Invest in repairs. Address any visible issues or needed repairs to present the home in its best condition will boost the buyer's confidence. 4. Professional photography. Showcase your home with high-quality photos to attract online attention and create a positive first impression for potential buyers. 5. Strategic pricing. Research the market and set a competitive yet realistic asking price. An accurately priced home is more likely to attract serious buyers and sell fast. Flexible showings. Accommodate potential buyers by offering flexible showings and make it convenient for the buyer. 7. Effective marketing. Utilize various marketing channels, including online listings, social media, and word of mouth. I would love to help you get your home sold. I'm Tonya C. Smith with Wendy Peach Realty.